Hello guys, welcome to Slim Trades FX. As always, I'm going to show you how I made the analysis of Bitcoin before I traded. This is how I always do my analysis. So first of all, what I always do, I go to my higher time frame, which is 1 hour. I mark my levels, my support and resistance levels, and also to determine the main trend. So after marking my support and resistance, then I lock my levels so that when I go back to the lower time frame, the levels won't disturb me, so they are not movable. So I go back to my 5 minute. That's where I look out for my setups. Then I make sure my support and resistance for the 1H are in green to remind me of the bullish bias. And then I need to be marking the higher highs and the higher lows, and so here I mark break of structure. It's a valid break of structure. Then market later on made a new higher high. Then a change of character happened. I had to mark that. Then again, after the change of character, of course, market made a lower low. That represents a change of character in a bullish market. It presents then we had another change of character after the first change of character, which had represented the need for change in the direction of the market, but that doesn't confirm the change in the direction. So it's always better you wait for a break of structure to confirm the direction of the market. So the market made a higher low, then again later on made a higher high. So the trend on the 5 minute confirmed to us that it is still bullish. So you mark your higher high and higher low, then you wait for the market to reach your point of interest, which is in the discount zone. Never try to trade in the middle of your setup. Wait for the market to reach below in the demand zone or your point of interest. Then I'll be scaling down to lower time frames, for example 1 minute or 20-second time frame, so I can look out for the entry and potential market shifts. So when I go to my lower time frame, sometimes I use the 20 seconds, sometimes I use the 1 minute or 30 seconds. So it will all depend. And so we get our first change of character on the 1 minute to tell us that the trend of the 5 minutes is about to end. So when we get a change in the direction on our lower time frame, then we shall be setting I'll be actually entering the trade from there after I confirm that the present candle on the 5-minute has closed above the change of character, above the level I marked, which led to the change in the direction of the market. As long as the 5-minute candle closes above, that's when I confirm the trend change on the 5-minute, and that confirms to me that the market now is continuing bullish. So I enter my trade. I set I want to for risk to reward ratio. I make sure my stop loss is in a good place. In case market stops me out, I know my setup has been invalidated. So sometimes it's always better you set your stop loss below the low. But yes, that's how I make my analysis. Thanks for watching.